Another weekend here in Bohol. And since my last video gained 18k views, I would like to share a little about our backyard. So now kukunin ko lang itong tatlong malalaking dragon fruit na dito sa backyard namin kasi kahapon meron kaming nakuha. Pero yun yung nasa gilid ng bahay namin. Ito sa backyard talaga, tatlong malalaking dragon fruit. We are so blessed kasi my parents, especially my mother, really planted fruit trees, guys. Especially dito sa bakura namin, backyard. Napakaraming fruit trees, guys. Kaya yung ibang mga fruits na kinakain namin, dito lang namin nakukuha sa amin, guys. Yung mga rambutan, avocado, guyabano, guava, mulberries, marami kaming ganun, guys. Thankful ako sa mga parents ko, guys, for having this. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman, sobrang daming mga